Love and life are complex concepts that can be understood and experienced differently by individuals. Love is often described as an intense feeling of affection towards someone or something, while life refers to the characteristic state of being alive and the experiences and events that happen during a person's existence. Love and life are intertwined and can greatly impact each other, with love adding meaning and purpose to life, and life providing opportunities for love to grow and flourish. It can be difficult to separate love and life, as they are often interwoven and impact each other. However, one can consider love as an emotion or feeling, while life can be viewed as the circumstances, events, and experiences that a person goes through. While love may influence and be influenced by life experiences, they remain distinct concepts and can be differentiated based on their different characteristics and effects. Love is a complex emotion that can take many forms and has the power to greatly influence a person's life. It is often described as a deep affection or attachment towards someone or something, and can be experienced in a variety of ways, including romantic love, familial love, platonic love, and self-love. Love is often seen as a positive force in life, bringing happiness, fulfillment, and a sense of belonging to those who experience it. Life, on the other hand, is a journey that each person embarks on and experiences in their own unique way. It encompasses all of the experiences and events that happen over the course of a person's existence, from birth to death. Life can be filled with joy, wonder, and growth, but it can also be challenging, filled with obstacles and difficulties. The way a person experiences and perceives life can be shaped by their beliefs, values, relationships, and personal circumstances. Love and life are interconnected, as love can greatly impact a person's life and vice versa. Love can provide a source of comfort, support, and happiness, and can bring meaning and purpose to life. Life experiences, in turn, can shape and influence a person's capacity for love, as well as their beliefs and attitudes towards it. Ultimately, love and life are two integral aspects of the human experience, and how they interact and influence each other can play a significant role in determining a person's overall happiness and well-being.